In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the BSOD, or blue screen of death, on Windows 11. If you've encountered this frustrating error while trying to use your computer, don't worry. By following these steps, you might just be able to resolve the issue and get back to using your device without a hitch. First, we're going to run the System File Checker. This is a helpful tool built into Windows that can scan and repair missing or corrupted system files, which might be causing the BSOD. To get started, press the Windows key on your keyboard along with the X key. This opens up a special menu with various advanced system options. From here, you'll want to click on Terminal, Admin, or if your system interface shows it, Command Prompt, Admin. It's important to choose the admin version because this allows you sufficient permissions to execute the necessary commands. Once you've opened up the terminal, you'll need to type in the command sfc scano. Make sure there's a space between sfc and iscano. This command instructs the System File Checker to begin a thorough scan of your system files. After typing it, just press Enter. The scan typically takes several minutes, so be patient and let it do its job. As it runs, it will automatically detect problems and fix them. No additional input is needed from your end at this point. Once the scan is complete, it's important to restart your computer. Restarting allows Windows to replace any repaired files that were in use during the scan. It's a crucial step in ensuring that the changes take effect and could potentially prevent further BSOD occurrences. Now let's move on to the next step, which involves repairing Windows files using the Deployment Imaging Service and Management tool, commonly referred to as DISM. Sometimes the underlying issue with BSOD might be related to the system image itself, and DSM can help with that. To begin this, you'll want to open up the terminal, Admin, again. Just like the last time, press Windows plus X and select Terminal, Admin. Inside the terminal, you'll need to type another command, DISM online / cleanup image. Restore health. Remember to ensure proper spacing in this command as well. DISM should be followed by a space. Then each part of the command should be spaced appropriately. After typing it in, press Enter. This command will search for and fix any issues within the system image. It's a bit more extensive and can take a while, so feel free to step away or work on something else while it processes. You'll notice a progress percentage, and you'll have to wait until it reaches 100% to ensure everything is completed. Finally, once the DISM tool has finished, you'll want to restart your computer once more. Restarting is a crucial part of the repair process, allowing Windows to implement all the repairs that DISM completed. By following these steps confidently, you should be well on your way to resolving the blue screen of death on your Windows 11 device. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below.